Hey there, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I am bringing you a video today about how to make stacked pants for less. As you just saw in that last clip, I started off with some Walmart leggings. They cost $5.94. You're gonna need 2 pairs. I'm just showing you where they stop on my ankles because I am tall. I am 6 feet tall, so I wanted some stacked leggings that could fit me. Now what I'm doing here is I'm measuring where the seam ends on the bottom of these leggings. They are cropped. I noticed that once I put them on. But I'm using chalk and marking where the seam ends at the end of the pant leg so that I can cut it off and I can use that part of the leg to sew onto the extra piece of fabric that we're going to be using to create the stacked effect. But yes, just keep watching this video and you will get your stacked pants. Also, while you're here, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, leave a comment, and make sure you give me a thumbs up. What I'm doing right here is just cutting off the part of the pant leg that I measured where the seam is. I'm going to fold it in half after I cut the first leg to make sure that the cuts are even. And then I'm going to take the second pair of leggings and I'm going to cut the pants completely off where the seam, like for your crotch area, ends. I'm just going to cut it straight across because I need all of that length to create the stack effect and make sure that they're long enough for my legs. Next, you're going to take the pant leg that you just cut off and fold it inside out. Measure the seams of the part that you cut off to the seams of the leggings that you are going to use for the actual body part. Measure those seams and then you pull the pants through the pant leg through your arm and push it over the other pant leg to match the ends of the pant leg together, and then you're going to pin them together so that you don't lose the place where they end and you can create a seamless stitch right there. Right here, I'm going to show you how to pin the pants together in normal speed. I know if you're a beginner like me, sometimes certain things people do in videos you're not really sure how to do. So I'm just going to show you in normal speed how to pin the legs together so you will know how to do it. And the sewing begins. When you sew these pants, make sure you use a zigzag stitch so that it'll allow your leggings to stay stretchable at the ends. If you use a regular stitch or any other type of stitch, it will not be stretchy and it will feel like you have cuffs on the ends of your legs. You don't want that. You want a zigzag stitch so the elasticity in the pants will stay. Here, you guys, is the final look. Please ignore my dog. I don't think he knew that I was recording or he didn't care. Either one, he's in the video. But this is the final look. I hope you like it. If you wanted more of a stacked effect, you will have to go ahead and ruche the sides of the legs. But I didn't want to do that. I like the relaxed look and not so much of the taken up look. So you can go ahead and pair these pants with some Jordans like the ones that I have on, or newer ones because these are kind of old. But anyways, pair it with some Jordans, some Air Force Ones, any type of shoe that gives you extra height because they are super long. But anyways, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.